In this video, you will learn how to file tax extensions on Turbotax. First, open Turbotax. Sign in and open your tax return. Start a new one if you need to. Go to the Federal section. From the left-hand menu, click on Federal. Choose Other Tax Situation. Scroll down and select Other Tax Situation. Find File as Extension. Look for a section labelled Additional Tax Situation. Click on File an Extension. Answer a few questions. Turbotax will guide you through a simple questions. You will need to estimate your tax liability, payments made and balance due. Review an e-file and extension. Turbotax fills out an IRS Form 4868 for you. Review your information, then click File My Extension. Confirmation. After submitting, you will get a confirmation when the IRS accepts your extension. Now you know how to file a tax extension in Turbotax. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.